Welcome to Technical Drawing. Today we'll see how to draw a triangular plane of side 35 mm which is inclined at 30 degree to HP and perpendicular to VP. One side of the plane is inclined at 45 degree to VP. We need to draw third angle. Now they have said plane is inclined at 30 degree to HP. So first we will draw parallel to HP. So top view will give you true shape. And since this is third angle, top view will come up. So I'll take side 35 which is inclined at 45 degree. Because they have said one side is inclined at 45 to VP. VP is XY line in this case. Take A to B and B to A. So we'll draw a triangle first, ABC triangle. After that, we'll draw front view. So in front view, it will be horizontal line. Remember, this is reference front view, top view. This is not the original front view, top view. Now we will draw original front view. This is dash, this is XY. So front view is down. Now they said plane is inclined at 30 degree to HP. So I'll draw this plane and I'll draw it down. See this. I'll take this distance. I'll cut it from here. So basically I will mark all those points C dash, A dash, B dash down on that 30 degree line. See this. And then I'll project C dash up, A dash and B dash. And I will take line from C. So C dash and C wherever it will intersect, that is C. B dash and B wherever it will intersect, that is B. And A dash and A wherever it will intersect, that is A. So we are done with front view, top view of this plane. Now we need to draw side view. So for side view, we'll draw 45 degree. We'll extend all this ABC and we'll project down. And from here, see this is C from here, C from here. They'll get C, C double dash, B dash from here, and B from here, B double dash, and A double dash. So this is side view. So we get front view, top view and right hand side view. This is 30 degree. So I hope you people have understood this sum. Thank you.